In the previous video, I spoke about Google AdSense and that you don't earn much with Google AdSense. And luckily for you, there are business models that pay a lot more, such as affiliate marketing. You can earn 4 times more with affiliate marketing than having YouTube ads or Google AdSense. Okay, you simply put links in your YouTube description. And these links, well, let's call them affiliate links. When people click on your affiliate links, they'll be brought to a page, to another website. And if they buy something from that website, you earn a commission. And there's an affiliate program for almost everything. So you find the right one for you, sign up as an affiliate, and then start promoting those products. The most well-known affiliate program is Amazon. So just head on over to Amazon if you haven't already gotten an affiliate account with them. And when you're an affiliate, you start using affiliate links and earning commissions when people purchase through your link. It doesn't even have to be the product that you direct people to if you're using Amazon. As long as it's within their cookie period, if they purchase anything on the Amazon website, it doesn't even have to be related to the product that you're promoting. You will still earn commissions from Amazon. Another popular affiliate program is ClickBank, and that is more for digital products such as ebooks, online courses, and video tutorials. So you go to ClickBank, sign up as an affiliate, and you will find products for almost every niche. So that's worth taking a look. And there are dozens of affiliate programs out there, so you can just do a Google search and see which ones are more appropriate for your business. Now, to increase the likelihood of your viewers actually clicking on your affiliate link in your description, you have to create good quality videos. And when you're promoting affiliate products, there are several types of videos that you can make. For example, you can create a video in which you do a product review. So for example, if you want to promote the Vitamix blender, which costs around $500, you could do a review of that product. Or you could also do a tutorial, a video tutorial of that product. So you could show how to use a product or how to fix it and so on. You could also create a favorites video. You create a video showing which products by Vitamix are your favorites. Now I'm just using Vitamix as a quick example off the top of my head. You could also create a best of videos, or comparison videos. So again, using the Vitamix example, you could create a video comparing Vitamix to the competition or to other blenders within the Vitamix company. Okay, so there's hundreds of other types of videos out there, but those are one of the best ones you can create. Lastly, make sure to give a full disclosure about your relationship with the advertiser or the sponsor in the video, and in the description and in the advanced settings, check off the box that says your video contains paid product placements. Now, what I like about this next one is the fact that you can earn recurring income from this model. And what I'm talking about is earning income from a website called Patreon. Patreon is sort of like a platform that you can use to have your own paid membership site, except that Patreon does all the work. It's also a crowdsourcing type income model that's based entirely on rewards and incentives that you get to design for your own audience. So if you're a YouTuber and you have only a few subscribers, it's still possible to make 4 figures per month. There are more than 2,000 video creators making more than $1,000 each month on Patreon. You can choose to get paid either per month or every time you publish new content. And what I recommend to a lot of people is to choose to get paid per content. This way you'll be more motivated to create more high quality content. Aside from the recurring income, what I also like about this business model is that you're not relying on YouTube and Google AdSense, and that you're being supported by the people who watch your content. And what's also great is that this allows fans to connect with you on a whole new level.